Good morning to all of you. This is your maths class for today. Now let's start question number 8. Express the following in simplified form. That means आपको इन्हें simplify करना है. Okay students. So first part is 2/3 raised to the power 0 divided by 2/3 raised to the power 0. Okay students. आपको पता है अगर किसी भी वैल्यू की पावर 0 होती है तो उसका आंसर क्या होता है 1. दैट मीन्स व्हेन एनी नॉन ज़ीरो वैल्यू रेज टू द पावर ऑफ 0 देन द रिजल्ट इज 1. और वी कैन से व्हेन एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट 0 ओके इज रेज टू द 0 पावर सो दैट मीन्स इट विल बी 1. यू ऑल नो दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. That means a raised to the power 0 that will be 1. A that means any non-zero value. Okay. Is that clear? So the answer will be 1 divided by 2/3 raised to the power 0 that will also be 1. Okay. So 1 divided by 1 that will be 1. Okay students. So that is your answer. Okay. Now the next part is B. Minus 8 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power 0 divided by 7 raised to the power 0. Okay students. So same thing. That is the minus 8 raised to the power 0. So that will be 1. Okay students. Plus 3 raised to the power 0. That will be 1. And divided by 7 raised to the power 0. That will be 1. Okay. So now first we solve this bracket. Okay. So that will be 1 plus 1 that will be 2 divided by 1 that will be 2. Okay. So that is your answer. Is that clear students? Okay. So C part is your homework. Okay. That means आप इसकी practice करेंगे. Same इसी type का question है. Okay students. And D also. Okay, so now let's start E part. 6 raised to the power 0 and 3 raised to the power 0 minus 4 raised to the power 0 upon 5 raised to the power 0. Okay students. So what to do? Yes, 6 raised to the power 0 that means 1 and 3 raised to the power 0 that will be 1 minus 4 raised to the power 0 that will be 1 and 5 raised to the power that will also be 1. Okay. So 1 into firstly we solve this bracket 1 minus 1 that will be 0 and upon 1. So 0 multiply में इसका means क्या है answer is 0. That is your answer. Okay students. Okay. Now the next question is question number 9. Express the following with a negative exponent. That means जो ये given है आपको इन्हें negative exponent की form में express करना है. Negative exponent that means जो उसकी power है वो negative होनी चाहिए. Okay students. Is that clear? So you all know that a raised to the power minus m that will be 1 upon a raised to the power m, or we can say a raised to the power m that will be 1 upon a raised to the power m. Okay students. That means when we change the number with power, okay, numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator also, that means the power will be चेंज मीन्स माइनस. ओके. जो साइन है उसका वो चेंज हो जाता है. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके. दैट मीन्स हमें क्या करना है अगर हमने न्यूमरेटर को डेनोमिनेटर में चेंज किया है विद पावर सो जो पावर का साइन है वो क्या हो जाएगा चेंज. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट ए. That is a raised to the power 3 multiplied by b raised to the power 2 divided by a raised to the power 4. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. So what to do? Yes. हमें क्या करना है, इसमें नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट में आंसर लेके आना है इसका. ओके, देयर आर वेरियस टाइप ऑफ मेथड. फर्स्ट मेथड इज a raised to the power 3, that means a into a into a. Okay, and b raised to the power 2, that means b into b. Okay students, and a raised to the power 4, that means a 4 times. Okay, so 3a will cut by this one. Okay, so we have b raised to the power 2 and upon a raised to the power 1. Okay, but now we have to change the negative exponent. Okay, so अब हमें क्या करना है, इसे नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट में चेंज करना है. दैट मीन्स हम क्या कर सकते हैं, नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट के लिए जो डेनोमिनेटर में है, अगर हम इसे न्यूमरेटर में ले जाए तो उसकी पावर क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस. ओके, एंड ऐसे ही अगर हम b की पावर 2 को डेनोमिनेटर में ले जाए तो इसकी पावर क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस. सो आपका आंसर आ गया नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट की फॉर्म में. Okay, so that is a simple method. But now we are according to law of exponent. Okay, how a raised to the power 3 and b raised to the power 2 and upon a raised to the power 4. So what to do? Yes, now we have a raised to the power 3 and b raised to the power 2 and multiplied by. अगर अब इस डेनोमिनेटर के हम न्यूमरेटर में ले जाएं सो पावर क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? एंड नाउ बेस सेम. ओके, सो कीप द बेस एंड व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई देन ऐड देयर एक्सपोनेंट. सो ऐड दैट मीन्स 3 प्लस माइनस 4. ओके, एंड b रेज टू द पावर 2 एज इट इज. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो a 3 minus 4 that will be minus 1 into b raised to the power 2, and we can say a raised to the power minus 1 और v raised to the power minus 2, because अब ये न्यूमरेटर को हमने चेंज कर दिया डेनोमिनेटर में. ओके, सो पावर क्या हो गई, चेंज. मीन्स जो पावर का साइन था वो चेंज हो गया. ओके, सो दैट इज योर आंसर. सो यू कैन डू एनी मेथड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज देयर 5 upon x. Okay, so what to do? That is very simple. 5 will be as it is and x डेनोमिनेटर में है, सो हम इसे न्यूमरेटर में ले जाएंगे. सो इसकी जो पावर का साइन होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स x रेज टू द पावर माइनस 1. सो दैट इज योर आंसर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दैट मीन्स हमने क्या किया, x जो था दैट मीन्स x रेज टू द पावर 1. ओके, एंड when we change denominator to numerator, so that means the power will be negative. Okay students, now the next question is question number 10. Evaluate the following. that means आपको इनकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Okay students, so a part 1/7 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 1/7 raised to the power 5. Okay students, so what to do? Yes, when base are same, okay, and we will do multiply, so what to do? We add their exponent. Okay, so keep the base and add their exponent. ओके, किस लो का यूज़ किया हमने, a रेज टू द पावर m इंटू a रेज टू द पावर n, दैट विल बी a रेज टू द पावर m प्लस n. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई टू नंबर्स विद द सेम बेस, सो देन ऐड देयर एक्सपोनेंट. ओके, सो वी कैन डू सेम थिंग. सो व्हाट टू डू, 1/7 3 plus 5 that will be 8, so that is your answer. Okay students, is that clear? Okay, so now the next part is next part is B part. 11/13 raised to the power 2 divided by 11/13 raised to the power 5. So in this question, when we multiply, now that means that is divide. So okay, so when we divide with the same base, so we can सब्ट्रैक्ट देयर एक्सपोनेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो यहाँ पर साइन किसका है? डिवाइड का. सो कीप द बेस एंड यस सब्ट्रैक्ट देयर एक्सपोनेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो कौन सा लॉ यूज किया हमने यहाँ पे? a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, that means a raised to the power m minus n. Okay students, so what we have? 11 upon 13 and 2 minus 5, that will be minus 3. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay students, so next part is C. 2 upon 7 raised to the power 3 and which is raised to the power 4. Okay, so what to do? According to this law, when raising a power to a power, so we will multiply their exponent. Okay, so we can do same thing. 2 upon 7 and exponent, that is 3 and 4. So we will multiply their exponent. So what will be? 2 upon 7 and 3 4s are 12. So that is your answer. Okay, and next part D and E you will do yourself. Okay students, so F 6 upon 7 raised to the power 3 and which is raised to the power 2 divided by 6 upon 7 raised to the power 2 and which is raised to the power 3. Okay, so that is the same thing. So what to do? 6 upon 7 raised to the power 3 into 2. Okay, and there is same. So 6 upon 7 raised to the power 2 into 3. Okay students, so what we get? 6 upon 7 raised to the power 3 into 6 and 6 upon 7 raised to the power 2 into 3, that will be 6. Okay, and now base are same and exponent also. So what to do? 6 upon 7 and when we divide, then subtract their exponent. Okay, so 6 upon 7 raised to the power 0. Okay, and when a raised to the power 0, that will be 1. According to this law, that means that will be 1 also. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, and rest part you will do yourself. Okay, now the next question is question number 11. Find the value of the following. That means आपको इनकी value find करनी है. Okay students, so in this question you have to learn this minus 1 raised to the power even number. So answer will be plus 1. Okay, and minus 1 raised to the power odd number. So that will be answer is minus 1. Is that clear students? Okay, so let's start part A. Minus 1 raised to the power 17. So can you tell me 17 is an odd number? Yes, odd number, that means which is not divisible by 2, and even number, that means which is divisible by 2. Okay, so that means it cannot divisible by 2, that means it is an odd number. So answer will be minus 1. So that is your answer. Okay students, so next part minus 1 raised to the power 100. So 100 can divisible by 2. So that means it is an odd even number. Okay, so that means answer will be plus 1. Okay, is that clear? So C part you will do yourself. Okay, and D also. Okay, because that is the same. Okay, so next part is E. Minus 1 raised to the power 30 divided by minus 1 raised to the power 200. So what will be? Yes, minus 1 raised to the power 30, that means plus 1, because 30 is an even number, and divided by minus 1 raised to the power 200, and 200 is also an even number, so that will be 1. Okay, so 1 divided by 1, that will be 1. Okay, and the last part is F. Minus 1 raised to the power 9 and which is raised to the power 1000. Okay, is that clear? So what we get? Minus 1 raised to the power 9. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि पहले इसे सॉल्व कर लें या फिर इनकी मल्टीप्लाई कर लें, एज यू विश. सो minus 1 raised to the power 9 क्या हो जाएगा -1 एंड अगर हम इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं किस लो के अकॉर्डिंग, इस लो के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, व्हेन रेजिंग अ पावर टू अ पावर सो देन वी मल्टीप्लाई देयर एक्सपोनेंट. सो we also do. Okay, so 9 into 1000 that will be 9000 and 9000 is an even number, so answer will be +1. Okay students, so that is your answer. Okay, so now your chapter has completed. Okay, and but still if you have any doubts so you can contact or message to me. Okay students, thank you.